Finding a right essential for your workspace can be a real challenge, and we have made it simply incredible just for you. Introducing our 3 fantastic office kits that will transform your desktop. So let's dive right into the video. So first up, we have this 12 office essential kit. This is an ultimate starter pack if you're looking for a mix of quality and affordability all in just one frame. So let's see what is into it. First is this DOMS Inkzone ball pen, which comes in blue and black ink. It has a very non-slippery grip and a fine tip, which gives you a smooth and precise writing experience. Second, we have is Solo A5 ruled premium notepad, which is perfect for taking notes at a very compact space. Then we have Delay Classic clip binders for keeping all your loose documents organized and intact at one place. Kangaroo stapler and stapler pins for all your stapling needs. Then is Pilot V-Board Master whiteboard markers. It is refillable and you can refill it as per your needs. Then we have Delay's cutter for precisely cutting any of your projects. We have Solo report cover, which will keep all of your documents intact at one place. We have Artline fast dry correction tape, which comes with a metal tip with 0.7 mm. You can easily correct any of your mistakes in just one go. Last but not the least, this is Sony Office Mate damper. All you have to do is just damp your fingers in it and turn every pages, or even you can count your cash very neatly and hygienically. And you are getting this 12 Office Essential kit only at just $499. So next up we have is this 18 Office Essential kit. This is an upgraded version of a 12 Office Essential kit, and I must tell you, this has got an all enhanced version of workspace tools. So let's see what all it covers. First, we have this Delay versatile pen holder, which comes in 3 different sections to keep your pens and any of your stationery intact at one place. Next, we have this Kangaroo stapler and stapler pins for all your stapling needs, but this has an addition, this Kangaroo staple remover, so you can remove your staple pins without any hassle. So we have this Delay glue stick. So this is a very compact glue stick which you can take while you are traveling at any space. Next is this Pilot V-Board marker. So this is also refillable and you can use and refill it as per your needs. Then is this DOMS Inkzone ballpoint pen, which comes in a blue and black refill. So this gives you a very premium writing experience. These Pentel Energel roller pen, which comes in blue and black ink. Also, it has a very classic body with a fine tip, which will glide smoothly while you write anything with it. Delay Classic clip binders, which will help you keep your documents very intact at one place. Luxor highlighter for highlighting all your important notes, and a Delay Classic cutter, which is compact and also a very ideal for all your projects. Solo A5 ruled notepad. It comes with a spiral binding. Also, the texture of the pages are quite smooth and premium, and you can also tear it off once you are done writing anything on it. Artline correction pen, which is also a very fast drying, that comes in metal tip of 0.7 mm, so you can correct your mistakes easily with one go. Last but not the least, the Solo report cover, so you can keep all your documents and important notes intact at one place, and this is very compact. You can take it anywhere you go. This kit has everything to boost your productivity and style your desk only at $999. So finally, we have these 22 Office Essential kits, perfect for those who want best of everything. So first is this Delay versatile pen holder, which comes with 3 different sections, so you can keep all your stationeries intact at one place. Second, we have this Sony Office Mate damper and Pentel Energel roller pen, which comes with blue and black ink. DOMS Inkzone ballpoint pen, which also comes with blue and black ink. Then we have this Kangaroo stapler with staple remover and a stapler pins. An Artline fast dry correction, a Luxor highlighter, Pilot V-Board marker, which comes with a refill as well. A Kangaroo paper punch for punching all of your important documents at any moment. A Delay binder clips for keeping all of your documents intact at one place. A Delay Classic cutter with a stick-up Delay glue stick. A Uniball Eye gel ink pen, so it has a premium body with the fine ink flow, so you can write very smoothly with it. A Solo report cover for keeping all of your document intact at one place. Last but not the least, this is Solo paperboard, so you can stock up all of your important documents and notes all in just one place. And you are getting this full package at only just $1499. So comment down below आपको कौन सी kit सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद आई, and see you in the next video.